Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send group text messages on your Android device. So let's start. First open your contacts. Now tap on the three bars on the left hand side. Now tap on groups and tap on create group. Now you have to name your group. And tap on add member. Now select members from your contacts. Now tap done at the bottom of the screen and tap save on bottom right corner. Now to send message, tap on the three dots on the right hand side and tap on send message. And now you can send a message to this group. Now type in your message and tap on the send button on the right hand side to send this message. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.